I wanted to give you a tour of the consultation and tutoring services that I offer. So once you click on the consulting tab on my website, you'll see that I offer consultation services. I also will provide interpretation of core values or mottos for your school or place of business. And then I also do offer academic tutoring and ASL tutoring. The tutoring sessions are one-on-one virtually through Zoom, and you can very easily book an appointment. So let's say that you are interested in receiving academic tutoring for one of your children. You can click book an appointment here, and it will take you to my booking site. Again, you'll see the services again. So you'll go to book now under academic tutoring, and you'll see that there are 3 options: 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. So if you decide to do 45 minutes, just click on that and see how this is checked here. If you're wanting to add ASL tutoring with that, then you would just click here and click your other options. So you have the option of clicking on more than one service and checking out at the same time. So let's just say that you want to have a 45-minute academic tutoring session. Continue. And then you can very easily click on available dates and times. Once you click on a day that works for you, it will have available times for that day. And then you just click the time and put in your information, billing information, and then book the appointment. And so scheduling a academic tutoring session is just that easy. So make sure that you check out my website, see what I have to offer, and thank you so much for stopping by.